Here are 3 psychological tricks restaurants use to completely manipulate your brain into spending more money. Trick number 1, removing the dollar signs. You will almost never see a dollar sign on a high-end restaurant menu. Psychology studies prove that removing the symbol entirely disconnects your brain from the pain of spending money, making you subconsciously order much more expensive food. Trick number 2, the decoy item. Restaurants will intentionally put a wildly expensive dish like a $100 steak right at the top of the menu. They don't actually expect you to buy it. It serves as an anchor, so when you see a $40 chicken dish right below it, your brain gets tricked into thinking the chicken is a great deal. Trick number 3, fast tempo music. Have you ever noticed that casual dining restaurants play fast, upbeat music? This isn't for the vibe. A fast tempo subconsciously makes you chew your food faster and talk faster, which gets you out of the door quicker so they can seat another paying customer. Subscribe if you want to keep more money in your wallet. This has been Saurabh Purohit.